Here I have Lenovo Legion, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the general settings, languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard, languages, add a keyboard. Here you have the whole list of the available keyboard languages. So let's pick, for example, maybe Greek language. Tap done. And now let's try to write something in Greek language here. And as you can see, now I have Greek layout here on my keyboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.